What is distributed intelligence? Distributed intelligence, in a way, is taking the compute and the solution closer to the problem. It's really turning that infrastructure or that meter into a computing power that enables us to, one, monitor, and then two, manage the grid from the low voltage side. So it really gives a low voltage management layer that enables the utilities to be aware of what's going on at the grid edge, whether it's on the meter, it's upstream of the meter, but also behind the premise, or what's going on behind the meter. And with that awareness, we take that a step further down the road, which enables us to take decisions, do control. Also allows the utilities to build marketing programs or other actions to be able to manage and control these assets on the grid. So as a utility, how can you maximize your investment when you refresh your AMI? Really, what we're talking about in terms of DI, it's an incremental cost that unlocks a lot of benefits on the infrastructure that you have today. So you'd have the meters, you have the networks, and now with the intelligence at the edge, you're really incrementally adding a lot of value on top of that investment that you're putting in the meters on the AMI system. And that investment helps with grid resiliency and getting, responding to your outages faster, making sure your network connectivity is accurate, but also in efficiency optimization. So the virtual transformer concept, where you can know what's going on in real time at your low voltage grid, sending that information to other systems like ADMS to take actions in real time. And in the end of the day, also getting visibility into your DERs. So it spans what's going on upstream from the meter into the grid, but also it gets visibility in aggregated fashion into what's going on behind the meter. And by doing that, it enables you to add on more of these assets, but also optimize these assets and have more DERs connected to the grid without risking the security of the power delivery that you have. The benefit with DI is not only that we deliver the platform and the apps, but also it's an enabler for the utilities to work directly themselves, where they can go develop these apps, or they can engage their own partners or vendors to be able to take that or use that platform to go develop their own apps to address their own use cases. That platform becomes just really an enabler for you to go target the use cases or the challenges you have, build the applications and test them within your premise and install them on the meters that you want. But also, if these apps prove value to other utilities, Itron can help you take these apps and market them to the other utilities as well. So in a way, you'd be able to leverage that and get some return on investment when you build these apps. Why DI from Itron, right? Itron has been the first mover in this space. We have real apps running on real projects that are installed in the field. So we have today a number of full-scale deployments, and we have multiple apps that we're delivering results, showing value. We have crews out there investigating things like high impedance. We're actually preventing outages or some safety issues before they happen. We have location awareness, where we can map beyond 99% the relationship between a meter and a transformer, meter to phase and meter to feeder. This mapping can support outage management, can support ADMS power flow, support all other systems that the utility have. And today we have that developed at scale. We're actually sending that information to correct what the GS and the utilities have and get them to that level of 99% plus of accuracy in their model. What does the future look like for DI? So today you have DI mostly running on the AMI meters, doing that logic and sending the information to the back office. Where we're going with that is we're developing hardware that enables us to integrate to third-party devices. So basically, in practice, extending that DI capability and DI logic beyond just the meter and taking it upstream and downstream that meter. And really create a distributed intelligence ecosystems that works in tandem, but also can support the centralized systems that exist today and give you the 100% coverage and control over your network. And this concept creates infinite possibilities for the distributed intelligence and distributed intelligence applications that spans from edge to edge of the grid. Here at Itron, we're not just building the DI agents and DI applications. We're building end-to-end solution that really leverages that data, but also gives you actionable outcome that you can leverage and take it from there.